I'm here in the grow your own area at the bottom of my garden. Abby Dabs, Abby, come here. Look at these lot. Look at these lot. What are they?
Pumpkins.
We're going to do some
Pumpkins.
and we've grown them at the bottom of the garden. Now it comes to the inside. Are you going to be doing some as well, Abby Dabs? Yeah, we are. Let's get cutting them.
That's off.
Pull the head off, that's it. Just give it a pull. Pull it up there. Come on, pull, Daddy's got it. Pull that up there. Ah! Look at all that. Go on, Debbie. Look at all that in there. Ooh, it's a bit slimy. Is it slimy, Abby?
Oh, it's Amy.
You're doing well, Alice. You got it all out there.
Not yet.
Keep go. That's just landed in Dad's hair. We're nearly ready to be able to draw the face on it. Abby Dabs, what's yours? Alice, what's yours like?
I need to cut out the face.
Okay, Abby, that's it. Take the eye out. You ready? Daddy, push it. You got the eye out. There we are. Now, a big tip when you're actually cutting
Pumpkins.
is to always leave a little hole in the top, because that enables it to act like a chimney, so it doesn't burn out of oxygen and then just put the candle out. So always put a little hole in the top of the
Pumpkins.
and that makes sure that it keeps alight. Right, let's turn the lights off and see what these look like. There they all are. Let's put them to a test. Turn the lights off. What do you reckon on those babies? It's even better because we grew these pumpkins ourselves. Look at them. Oh,